very vibrant colors today. And it went very well with your routine, I would have to say. It was very adorable. The moves were he kind of stepped to the side, his skip, and I just thought it would look really cute with the outfit and everything. So I really like that together. So moves to routine. And I would also like to say that when you're I can count each one of your fingers. So I really like that. Your fingers there. I really like your hand and finger movement today because I can see each single finger. I would like to compliment you guys on that. And more energy than Hamona. So I really like that a lot. So keep it up for Taki. One thing is just for tomorrow is just work a little bit more on your transitions. So that if it takes us 8 counts to get over here, then also take us 8 counts to get over here too. So that you move different from each other. you move at the same count. So besides that, keep your energy up for tomorrow. Don't see.